made it doing it. But really, I be Igbo. But
enwere point because if ka ndị West Side sikwa ebu ụdị mmadụ dịka King Sunny Adeva, Shino Peters, K1, even some of us that do not even know their songs that time, but we will be forced to also respect them just the way they are being portrayed. Mana amam na ika nwekwa one of Oriental brothers ha nọchakwa alive. I think Dansach also. Aika nwekwa Okejakota ha nọchakwa alive. Mana when you see them on the road, Chika Opala ha, look easy. I think I agree with what you are saying.
Afọ niile na-akpa afọ esi otu aha kwere hu onye nke ọbụla na-enweghị ego n'ime aka awụọla iji ego ike Igbo bugoro abịago na n'Igbo ihe ọbụla sọ gị kụọ n'egwu iji physical money a na-afụ anya na akọnọtens akụghị ọsarebe a na-akwere ọsarebe ugwuru ori alụta mekwa ọsarebe mere egwu ọsarebe buru egwu jee Amerịka jee kwuo egwu na Amerịka spend the time na big studio na Amerịka jee weta that project yes na igecha if works onye ka ndụ imere ha expect too much to do all that.
You and Flavor gave us timeless sounds. Enwe video mfo gini ya no n'ime moto. I think he was trying to say slangs and you are telling him the slangs well. Some people are now saying that this is the real bad influence. That now some of these slangs is now. Waga, I am asking you now. Go about the bad influence that we've been seeing in Flavor. Opota osnonya bo amwesuke one of Africa. I'm one of Flavor. Waga G, I'm asking you now. Are you the bad influence in Flavor's life?
In fact, two of us we both bad influence. Bad combination. Those things I didn't go to that car, but my lines when the radio show na Solid FM, you know, when ancient and modern. Yeah, we had no woman below the program. I have popular the program below covers ancient and modern. Ancient and modern. Sabo the so me below you. I can't have a family below your mom. It was all on your feet. Ayati, yes. What's the bubbling of an egament? Pause.
How do you get your inspiration? Seeing some of those things.
I'm a free spirit human being. I like having fun, but very serious person at the same time. The inspiration I get from him again when I'm a lot of exposure with men on the street. I acquire them news or whatever. About man on Abram homeboy. But I go map on the street now acquire. So those lines gonna come easy 247 and I'm gonna do one then don't get it twisted. Flavor no me we are very more bad influence. Some of those things you want to instigate it. You want to say, well, okay.
No guy ever.
Oh yeah, and the egu itself. Most of those things now be from the egu. When we compose, we take time to compose. Maybe 6 months composing one song. All those times you hear the song, you have different feels of the